I'm back in Bangkok, one of my favorite cities and in my top 5. It's been a year since I was last here. I'm meeting some friends and want to explore the city more as I might consider moving here. I decided to rent an Airbnb since I would be staying here for a month. I really enjoy my apartment. It's in a convenient location with access to amenities like a pool, grocery stores, walking distance to the metro, restaurants, and it's in a vibrant part of the city, which I love. The building has a gym and co-working space. Very nice. Staying here is making it easy for me to decide whether or not I should move here. Another thing I love about Bangkok is its amazing skyline. At night, it's a beautiful view. I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. Shout out to my wonderful supporters who have donated to buy me a coffee, sent a Cash App, and contributed to supporting the channel. I appreciate your thoughtfulness and support. You don't have to do it, but you're with me on this journey, and I thank you. This was a fantastic trip. I got to meet up with my girlfriend from DC who's traveling the world and came from Malaysia. My girlfriend from DC traveled to Bangkok for a few weeks, and another friend from Vietnam was here, so we all hung out. Starting the morning with a delicious American-style breakfast that I haven't had in a while. While I'm here, I plan to do some shopping at Bangkok's luxurious malls because I can't find certain things in Da Nang, Vietnam, which only has one small mall. In Bangkok, you can find everything you need and more. I love their BTS system. Takes me wherever I want to go, all across the city. Look at they cool doors. A typical ride for me is about 40 baht, which is $1.11 one way. That's the LV Cafe and store. We're in Bangkok in Central World, hanging out, doing a little shopping. Wait a minute. Central World is one of my favorite malls in Bangkok. It has everything you need. Grocery store, movie theater, restaurants, all my favorite stores, and it smells luxurious. There's Birkenstock. There is Auntie Anne's. There's Garrett's Popcorn over here. Is this Garrett's? Yeah, I might have to give me a Chicago mix, baby. Let me go to Asics first because I don't want that on my hands. You can stay here.
ใช่ค่ะเพราะว่าอะไรคะเราสกินแคร์แล้วเราใช้สกินแคร์แล้วผิวหน้าเราสวยแล้วใช่อารมณ์ดีใช่ปีความเป็นเลือดฝาดอารมณ์เหมือนเสียตลอดเวลาหน้าแดงตลอดเวลาจริง
H&M has a cafe. Shop, sip, and wait. That's what you do here. Tourists that spend a minimum of 2,000 baht get a VAT refund. They get their taxes back. I saw these the last time. It was so cute. Hey, that's what the queen. We be high stepping. They 50% off too. This is a specialty. I had one purpose for coming to Bangkok. I'm here now. We're going to check it out. Only one reason. That's why I was like, well, I heard they got something that I want. Why not come and check it out? Ooh.
Is it the Shake Shack? Am I missing the Shake Shack? Am I missing the Shake Shack? Not so much. Not so much. It's one of those things, but I'm going to show you in a minute. Stay tuned. I sure did. I came for the Cheesecake Factory. A taste of home ain't never hurt nobody. I want some Cheesecake Factory, okay? Yes, I am here for it. All right, y'all, I'm about to grub. Yes, honey, your girl is here for the experience. I'm here.
Yes, I'm in Bangkok eating Cheesecake Factory. Worry about yourself, honey. I've been abroad nearly 2 years. I love the Cheesecake Factory in the States, and I am happy that it's here, and I can get a taste of home. Eat what you enjoy wherever you are, okay? Forget what the others say. Let them do their thing, you do yours. Chicken piccata is my favorite dish at the Cheesecake Factory, so I was so excited. I couldn't wait. I debated getting the cheesecake, but the cinnamon crunch was delicious.
Oh, we didn't come this way. It's a little market right here. Coconut smoothie. Who's that orange juice? Good.
Yeah, he put coconut meat in there.
They got the shrimp all day. Look at the fruit over here. They got the mangoes to eat. Look at this. Ooh, look at that fish. Oh. So this must be like the food hall. Wow, that looks good.
June was the month of Pride, and it's well celebrated in Bangkok. Look at the gorgeous architecture, the streets, the lights, the beauty of Bangkok. I love it. The skyline, the buildings.
A full day of shopping, and we're headed back. We're headed back. In Bangkok, their metro system is the best. Absolutely the best.
Stay tuned for more videos of Bangkok as I decide whether or not to move here. Peace.